To get support for Bill.com API, start by reviewing the official Bill.com API documentation, which provides a comprehensive overview of the API endpoints, parameters, and response formats. This documentation is a valuable resource that can help you understand the capabilities and limitations of the API. Next, visit the Bill.com developer portal, where you can find code samples, tutorials, and FAQs that can help you get started with integrating the API into your application. The portal also provides access to the Bill.com API Sandbox, a test environment where you can experiment with API calls without affecting your live data. If you encounter issues or have questions while working with the API, you can reach out to the Bill.com support team through email or phone. They are available to assist you with technical issues, provide guidance on API implementation, and offer best practices for optimizing your integration. In addition to the official support channels, you can also leverage the Bill.com community forum, where you can connect with other developers, share knowledge, and learn from their experiences. The forum is a great resource for troubleshooting common issues, getting feedback on your implementation, and staying up to date with the latest API updates and enhancements. To ensure you receive timely and effective support, make sure to provide detailed information about your issue, including error messages, API request logs, and relevant code snippets. This will enable the support team to quickly understand your problem and provide a more accurate and helpful response. Best practices for getting support include thoroughly reviewing the API documentation and developer portal resources before reaching out for help, using the sandbox environment to test and validate your API integration, and keeping your API implementation up to date with the latest version of the API. By following these steps and leveraging the available resources, you can effectively get support for Bill.com API and successfully integrate it into your application, streamlining your business processes and improving your overall user experience.